Good Wednesday! I tell you, life is kind of funny. Not long ago, I got a comment about a Chilton 2-cupper Dripolator. And I've heard of Chilton. They made aluminum cookware even. Cookware, coffee makers. I never thought of a 2-cupper. I love 2-cuppers. It's just enough for me. I had never searched for one. Right after I read the comment, I searched. And out of the blue, there was like, it looks new. It was on Whatnot. And I've never been on Whatnot. Have you heard of Whatnot? It's like eBay, but it's Whatnot. It's got a label. It looks new. I'm afraid that this is not complete, even though the picture in the ad made it look like something was in there. Show the picture. Kind of like Rrrrrose, where you put this thing in, where you put this disc in with a handle, and you put the water in, and you put the coffee in, and then you put this thing in on top of it. One of the pictures looked like it, but in reality, it was a reflection of a light fixture above. So let's open it. Let's open it. Now here's the thing. It was $5. $5, $11 shipped. And I'm not kidding. And I thought I had the deal of the century until I realized it was incomplete. And you know, it's still kind of the deal of the century for $11 shipped. I couldn't believe it. I thought I was being had. Let's see what we got here. I've never ordered from Whatnot. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm actually kind of excited. You know, I love coffee makers. And so I'm expecting it to be incomplete. Oh, there's this nice perfumey smell. That happens a lot, but it's not unpleasant. I did pick up some of these this morning. The worst case scenario is we can make it without the missing part. We'll do a pour over instead of a Dripolator. Oh, it smells good. Not like food. Look at this. Look. Isn't it cute? Boy, just a little bit of polish will make this perfect. 2 cups. Chilton. Oh, man, I didn't see the dent in the ad. I didn't see the dent. It couldn't have gotten dented in the bottom. It's still Chilton ware. I think it's from the 60s. Don't quote me. Alright, see, so that's what I saw in the ad. But I saw the reflection of the ceiling. Yep. Wait a minute. Oh my God. Oh. I'm sorry, it's complete. He didn't take it apart. He left this together. I thought maybe it was missing a bottom part. And I did think that this was the top area because of the very few tiny holes. Look! And he didn't show that in the ad. Oh, alright, I am so happy. $11 freaking dollars. $11. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. This like weighs like tissue paper. This is like the Kenware I have. It's like tissue paper. It's too bad it's dented though. I don't think I can fix it. I don't think I can fix that dent. But this baby's new. Wow. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. The little things in life. All right. We're going to have to make some coffee in this tomorrow morning. Really? Oh! Eh? Okay. Cheers. Oh. Yeah. My finger's stuck. Don't get mad for me doing this. I'm almost 70 years old. I like to filter my coffee. I have a grinder, but I never use it. You know that. There's still coffee in the spout, but the coffee is much lower inside. Hey! Oh. Oh yeah. $11. Can't believe it. Can't believe it.